right, since we're still in soup season, today we're gonna do chicken and dumpling. I'm not using Pillsbury Doughboy biscuits. I'm not using flour tortillas, which my wife hates. I'm gonna do it the traditional way. At least this is the way I was taught in my house. I don't know how you make chicken and dumplings, but if you do it any different than this, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, we're gonna make the dumplings, which is very simple. I use a half a stick of butter, a cup of milk, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna use a fork to stir that around. Then we're gonna sprinkle a little flour on there so it's not as sticky. Now let's get in there with our hands. Remember to keep some flour handy next to you. Just gonna knead this dough a little bit. You don't have to do it a lot like you know, baking some bread or something. Just a little bit. Now our dough is ready to be rolled out. All right, I like mine's kind of thick. I don't want it to look like a flour tortilla, but this is like the thickness, I like it. And it doesn't have to look perfect, just oh. All right, we're gonna set these to the side and then we're gonna get to work on the base of the dish. All right, now back to the base of the dish. First, we're gonna add some butter. Once that's melted, we're gonna add our mirepoix, the holy trinity, carrots, celery, onions. We're gonna sweat those down. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of onion powder. We keep it real simple. All right, let's add our onions. We got a half an onion, that's a half a stick of butter, 2 carrots, depending on how small they are. These were very small carrots. I don't want to add a lot of veggies. I wanted to keep it simple. I don't want to seem like it's a vegetable soup, but this adds flavor. I mean, but you can add whatever aromatics you want. Sometimes I use rosemary, oregano, but I want to keep it traditional. So we're going to sweat these down a couple minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Then we'll be ready to add our seasoning. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of garlic. Mix that in there. Now we're gonna add our seasonings and our flour. I told you guys when I make soups or stews or whatever, they have to be extra thick for Sonny to eat them. It has to be like a dip. Now, let's add our chicken stock. So, I put 6 cups of chicken broth. I know you didn't see me use a measuring cup. I can eyeball the shit. We're also gonna put a cup of heavy cream. Add some of that creaminess. Once this almost gets to a boil and thickens, I'll add the chicken and the dumplings. And then I have a surprise for y'all. Yes, I'm gonna fry some chicken skins to throw on top, just like I did the pot pie soup. So once this is ready, we'll be ready. All right, now that our fire is hot, we're gonna add our chicken. And listen, a lot of people rather just buy a whole chicken, boil it, and shred the meat. I don't do it that way. I understand that's how you get your chicken stock, but I'm showing you a quicker way on how to do this. And as long as Costco sells rotisseries, just go get a $5 rotisserie. So we're gonna add the chicken. And then we're gonna add our dumplings. All right, right, now to top our chicken and dumplings, I'm gonna fry some chicken skins. And of course, we're using Blue Magic all-purpose fry batter. I did this with the chicken pot pie. I made some fried chicken skins and put it on top. It was real good. So I'm gonna do that. Throw this in our wet batter. Now when you dredge these, you gotta lay them flat to make sure it's fully battered. Should come out like that. See, I'm missing spots. Let's throw that in the grease. Well, another soup.
This ain't soup to me.
No kids.
It's chicken and dumplings is not soup.
Fried chicken and dumplings.
Well, I'm excited about this one because I fucks with, chicken and dumplings. Was that the first 2 minutes?
Go ahead. Go ahead and put that on one of them skins.
It's hot. Like a whole, I was just gonna bite. Look at that. That's definitely not no tortilla. That's a real dumpling.
For sure.
I know y'all grandmas be cheating sometimes. My grandma used to cheat. I could tell the
Your
difference.
grandmama used to make it with Pillsbury.
No, she did the flour tortillas when she didn't feel like.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I used to like the flour.
I mean, that's cool. You can't really tell the difference, but I mean, that's a little bit thicker than the tortilla.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna eat this. I was letting it cool off. I know it's about to be fire. I might eat this for dinner. Oh no, we got something else. So you said put it on top. Oh my God. No, that's a dumpling. Oh my God.
Fix me up one. I want mine on the skin.
Oh, that's delicious.
Fix me like a chicken and dumpling nacho.
Oh, that's fire. Hold on.
I'll eat this with ribs.
I want you to bite my own nail off. You gotta do it from scratch. Don't do the cheat way. I'm sorry. It's cold outside too. I love when you do this. That's how you know when it's good, because we ain't really talking, we just eating.
I can't talk shit. That shit fire. So honestly, you have people that like it with flour tortillas and Pillsbury dough. The way I made the dough, you see how easy it is. 1 cup of milk, half a stick of melted butter, 2 cups of flour. That's it. Follow the steps. But, you know, you like what you like. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments below, how do you eat your chicken and dumplings? I will have a recipe in the description. My nigga, enjoy.